Fdmt stock is showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bullish trend, down 36.35% in the regular session of today, the 17th of July 2024. As you can see, this exemplifies, this represents what has happened in this session. The news that came out today wasn't that bad. I mean, I'm trying to find out what's behind this huge plunge. Could it be profit taking? But in any case, if you come to its 1 minute chart, you might find out we had a rebound projection of 18.18. Let's see whether we still have that intact. 18.18. Yeah, we had. Let's see. Has it changed? I think it has changed. 18.18. We had it once. It has changed actually. So the probability for that it can get to that sort of rebound to that sort of price 18.18 or surpass 18.18 is 91.83 for obvious reasons. He has is now trading at a huge discount to its moving averages, especially on the longer time series like the 4-hour chart. Those 4-hour chart, daily chart is trading at a huge premium to those moving averages. So you can easily imagine that the probability that it will rebound to those sort of levels, 18.18 is 91.83. The probability that it will not is around 81.14. But if we return to the 4-hour chart, we can see that there's also a projection here. The closest upper projection, closest Fibonacci projection is roughly $20.97. So the probability that it will surpass 20.97 is a very bullish 86.82%. The probability that it will not is 13.18%. Yeah, that's what's going on. So the gainers. I think the losses are not really abating. That I think on various points it does cool off, but not enough. If you have a look at its let's have a look at its 1 minute chart. We might see what I'm talking about. This is This is a 2-hour chart. Do we have anything shorter than that 1 hour? No, we want to see. Yeah, it's not giving up at all. Has continued to decay. So a rebound is most certainly very highly likely to happen. Maybe not in this session. You can see that this is the lower line of its price channel is 21.32. The sort of projections around that's the sort of average we have. That's the average we actually have in determining the probability that it will rebound to 20.97. So this sort of validates that sort of average 20. It's currently at that lower line is at 21.32. So you can see, and the stock itself is trading at 16.7, 16.92. So you don't need to do the math to see that that is going by what we're looking at right now on this 1 hour chart, that a rebound is highly likely. It's naturally expected that it will come into this price channel, come into this range, the range between this the upper line of the stock, which is around 28.39 and 21.36. You should come into that range, but some strength has recovered, just not a lot. But in any case, let's have a look at its 1 minute chart. You will see that nothing is going on here. It's just of late now consolidating the retracement, consolidating it, but at the same time as well trying to volatility is not there at all. Money is volatility is not there. Not a huge amount of shares have actually traded. I think not a huge amount have traded so far. But you can see graphically that some amount of strength is trying to come in. The stock is challenging the upper line of its price channel. But the fact that we can't even magnify this that much is just an indication that volatility has collapsed in the very short term. But it was there, it was there. when it's plunged all the way down to where it is, the lows it is at right now. Yeah, so FDMT, I think we can just really have a look at the news behind this. It's a good news. It's not a bad news. Let's see. It says 4D Molecular Therapeutics phase 2 trial shows 4D-150 therapy effective in treating wet age-related macular degeneration. Unless there's another piece of news that we haven't found, we haven't seen. Okay. It said today that interim data from a phase 2 study showed its experimental therapy 4D-150 was safe and effective in treating patients with wet age-related macular degeneration. The study showed an 89% reduction in the annualized injection rate and improved vision in patients treated with 4D-150, which was also well tolerated. The company said it's collaborating with the FDA and the European Medicines Agency to finalize its phase 3 study design, which it expects to share in September of this year. So yeah, that's what's going on. So the probability that it will surpass $18.18 is an ambitious 91.83%. The probability that it will not, the probability that it will remain below $18.18 is 8.17. The probability that it will surpass 20.97 is 86.82. And the probability that it will not is 13.18%. So see what you make of FDMT, and I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.